My name is Adelle and I am going to show you how to make donuts. Prepare the ingredients first. We are going to make 12 donuts. Two teaspoons of yeast. 1 egg warm water. 1/4 milk, 3 portions. 1/4 cup sugar. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 1 egg. 2.5 cup flour. 1 egg butter. Now take a big bowl and mix everything in. Stir it with a big spoon. Don't forget to put the timer 70 minutes. Wait patiently for it to rise. Surprise! See how big is the dough now? Put some flour on the table. Put a lot of it. The dough on the table. Roll it like a long snake.
It is going to be very sticky, but it's normal.
Sticky hands. Don't worry about it. Put some flour on my hands. Into a bowl and make a donut shape. Forget to put some flour on the dough. Finally, it's done. Place some flour on the shape. Now we are going to fry. Careful. It's hot oil. Wait for the oil to be hot. Put a chopstick and wait for it. Okay, I put on. There's bubbles around the chopsticks, that means it's hot. Put the donut gently in the pan. Don't let the oil splash on you. Wait for it to be brown. Flip it over. Take out the donut. It's going to be tricky. Catch it.
The donut is ready.
Put the chocolate sauce on the donut. Brush, brush, brush. Ta-da-da-da. The donut is ready.
Yeah, so, how was it?
Good.
Good. So,
The donut is yummy. This is how I make donuts. Everyone likes it. Finger licking good. Thank you for watching.